where we are only concentrating on the roles that are looking for functional expertise. Okay, so expertise, when I say that, it involves you to be as an implementer, as a solution expert, SME. Okay, so you will be only taking care of all the admin related activities related to functionality. Okay, so when you talk about any other integration using studio integrations, so that is part of it, again, an integration workflow processes. So that's a different part of
Okay.
it. So we will be concentrating here mostly on the functional
On the
side of it.
functional access. Okay. Okay.
Right. So this is an elevated training, only specialized for making an functional expertise on this. Right. So we are going to look into all the functional related configurations, setups. Right. So you're trying to go into tenant related setups. Okay. How the tenant behaves for each and every consultant. So how do we try to look into over that? So that's what we are trying to go into this particular training.
Okay. I have a doubt here. So, don't you
Right.
think the market is more towards technical content of, I mean, technical aspects of Workday, like the
Not
calculator fields, CIBs?
correct. Yes. So, but not. I would not justify that, because that is where we are trying to take it as a combination here. So we wanted to be as
Okay.
an administrator on a functional side of it. Also, we are going to
Okay.
completely represent ourselves as a report developer. Like, you are trying to be part of an admin on a reporting side as well. Includes the reporting, all
Mhm.
different types of report development process. Also, different calculated types, that calculated fields that you are trying to. So you don't have to look for a different training with respect to reports and calculated
Okay.
fields. So you have the same thing included
Okay.
here. Also, coming to integrations, we are going to completely understand the functionality about EIBs. So whenever you are trying to
Okay.
do bulk loading processes, so we are going to use EIBs full-fledgedly. So we are going to touch each and every point on EIB. So we should be comfortable on that area as well. So apart from that, anything that requires you to write a code, so maybe here, so people are from a
Uh-huh.
different background, so definitely they are not comfortable with the code XML XSLT, right? So I don't
Yeah.
prefer to go there, because your job roles will completely switch over when you are wanting to be on that side, because you cannot be a functional consultant when you are wanting to be on integration side, because every organization
Mhm.
try to maintain teams where integration team is completely dedicated towards integrations, functional team is always there. So the market demand is equally opportunative to both of them, and comparatively, functional consultants are more in any organization than the integration consultants. So that's because integration,
Okay.
one consultant can do all complete module related integrations. They don't need more people comparative to the functionality. Okay, so but interaction with
Okay.
the business users will be less to the integration consultants than the functional ones. So we'll try to talk about that.
And one more thing, are we going to learn like the full implementation life cycle?
That's
Is it involved in the functional area?
yes, the complete, the step-by-step process that you want to implement a module from the scratch. So what you would try to do,
Yeah.
so we are trying to go on. So
Mhm.
because when you enroll yourself to Workday delivered trainings, so you generally have to be enrolling to all these modules in a separate window. So like HCM
Yes. Yes.
fundamentals, which will only be touch basing on the only terminologies. So you will have to go through that,
Okay.
and then you will be expertise on the functional advanced module for HCM, and then business process fundamentals, you will have to again enroll it for a different training session. And then likewise, you have compensation, you have security, right? So all of them you need to enroll them separately. So that is not the agenda of this training. So agenda of this training, it should be as a
Okay.
package, so you will be learning everything together. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Got it. Thanks.
Yeah, perfect. So we'll talk about the further thought process about this training. So I think your questions will be more solved there.